Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your guy, Tanna.
It is a pleasure for you to meet me. I am
The bad boy of tech. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys a few tips and tricks in setting up your Google Pixel 4a. Because when I first got my Pixel, people, man, it was bland, straight to the point. And me, I like sauce and tricks and all that. So enough me yapping, I'm gonna show you guys how I made it happen. Let's go.
I got that heat, let's go.
Now the first tip I'm gonna give you has to do with texting. Because people, just like me, I text every day. I know a lot of you guys do too, and you use the number row. As you can see, out of the box, the Pixel 8 doesn't have the number row on display. Let me show you how to get that.
okay.
Click the settings wheel right there. Click preferences. On number row right there, click on that. Go back. Bam, there's your number row. Now let's get to the next tip. All right, people, this next tip right here is very important to me because to me, I gotta see the battery percentage in order to gauge my battery life throughout the day. Because out of the box, Google only gives you the battery icon with no percentage. But don't worry, I'm about to show you how to get the percentage on deck.
Yeah, boy.
All you have to do is pull down the shade twice till you see the settings icon, press on that, and as you can see, the settings come on up. Then in the search bar, type in BAT. Then on this menu, click battery percentage, and as it's highlighted right there, hit that switch, and bam, you see it at the top. 67% on deck.
Yeah.
Let's get to the next tip. Now for this next tip, I'm gonna show you guys how to take a screenshot on the 4a. Because on all the other Android phones that I've used, I either had to swipe or just hold down on the screen. But not on the Pixel 4a. What you gotta do is hold down on the power button, then select screenshot. It's just that simple.
He ain't lying.
And here's another trick with your power button. You can launch your camera. 2 presses, your camera's on deck.
Woo!
Now let's say that you got a baby in your arm or you're carrying groceries in one hand and you want to get access to your front-facing or rear-facing camera. All you got to do is flick the wrist twice and there it is.
What?
Same thing to reverse it.
For sure.
And finally, I'm about to show you a cool trick that you can do with the fingerprint sensor. Because a lot of times, like I said, we probably have something in the other hand and want to pull down a notification shade and make something happen. All you got to do to set this up is pull down the shade, go into settings, type in swipe. And right there where it says swipe fingerprint for notifications, enable that. And by doing that, now you can pull down a notification tray with your fingerprint sensor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, as you can see, with the Pixel 4a, man, you can do a lot of tricks to make your life that much easier. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Google a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan, Tanna, and Team Lit, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.